Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare QuickBooks versus Zoho Books. We'll dive into their core functionalities, pricing structures, and ideal user bases to help you decide which accounting software best fits your needs. Understanding their differences is key to optimizing your financial management. Let's explore how each platform handles essential tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, and generating financial reports, ensuring you make an informed choice for your business operations. When looking at key features, QuickBooks generally provides a wider array of reporting options, with over 80 available, which is beneficial for detailed financial analysis. Zoho Books, however, stands out with its automation capabilities and offers more invoice templates, up to 18, compared to QuickBooks 6. For payroll, QuickBooks offers integrated solutions, though these often come with an extra fee, while Zoho Books relies on integrations with other payroll services. Regarding pricing, Zoho Books is often more budget-friendly, offering a free plan for businesses with annual revenue under $50,000 and supporting 2 users. Its paid plans typically start around $20 per month. QuickBooks, on the other hand, does not offer a free tier, with its paid plans beginning at approximately $35 per month. Zoho Books also provides more flexibility for adding extra users at a low cost, around $3 per user, whereas QuickBooks usually requires upgrading to a more expensive plan for additional users. Choosing between them depends on your business size and specific needs. Zoho Books is an excellent choice for small businesses, freelancers, or those already utilizing other Zoho applications, offering a cost-effective and integrated experience. QuickBooks is generally preferred by growing small businesses with more complex accounting requirements and those who need extensive reporting or accountant familiarity. Consider your business size and future growth when choosing. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.